Dad, I have decided to get married.
What?
Dissolve!
Do you have a girl in mind?
Yes, grandmother. She said she loves me and I love her too. And also, she's the best cook and the best storyteller in the whole world.
That's nice. But there's a little problem here.
Which problem?
You cannot get married to your grandmother. How can you marry my mother?
Why not? But you also married my mother.
Dissolve!
I'll marry her whether you like it or not.